Alright guys, welcome to another video of Unbox Wednesday. I think this is like the 10th time or way more than that I'm doing this. But you already know it's Wednesday, so I like to actually do my unboxing. Now this one is from apmex, about 123. I'm gonna confirm that with you once I open it up. But let's go ahead. And don't forget to add me on my new Instagram channel. I upload content on that channel all the time. You guys should definitely go add me on Instagram, all right? Talk about gold, we talk about silver, and I may even talk about this video I'm doing right now. But you never know, you gotta go add me, all right? That's Urban Lifestyle 1989. And also, the link is found in the description as well. I'll see you there. Thank you guys so much for watching another video of Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you guys create a better life by creating better health and wealth. And you guys can also help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys can get future notifications of my future videos. Let's go. I'm working for work, and grind. So I pre-opened it so you guys don't have to see me struggle. But we're back to the bag being inside the box. It's a joke if you see my last week video. Hold on, this part is still a bit hard. Let's go here. Right. Oh, I'm missing one thing. My gloves. Because a lot of people ask me, oh man, where's your gloves? And you can see I have my rag old gloves right here, you know, so I can get some wraps if I need it. But these gloves are pretty much hard to contain. But let's go back to the video. The good thing about these gloves as well is they're razor sharp, as you can see. Just go like this and it's open. No, I'm lying, which I already opened it before I actually put the gloves on. But let's see what we have in here. Oh, okay. We have a paper right here. To confirm the price, it's actually $127.54. All right, now let's see what I got up in here. So you guys know I love my Velcambi Suisse. I think this is the last one I'm gonna buy, depending on what I have, like if I have room in my box or so, because I want to fill up my box with these. And then once I get a new box, then I'm gonna go to a different item, which you guys already know. It's hard. These gloves are hard to. Yeah, come on. There you go. Right there, 1 gram right there. Add that to the list. What else do we have here? I feel like Santa Claus reaching in his bag. Let's see. Ooh, this feels nice. We have a 1 ounce round standing Liberty. Looks very beautiful right there. Look at it. 1916 is what it says on it, is the date. There you go, but very beautiful. Let me take it out the bag so you guys can see. Much better. Here you go. I gotta put my mask back on that finger. You guys can see it right there. These gloves are very hard to control. They're very beautiful. Flip it on the side. There you go. You see it right there. Love the eagle, love the design. And it looks new, but at the same time, it looks old. All right. Let's see what else we have in here. Okay, and so far the bag is empty. So pretty much I have. So the reason I like to buy, I know you guys been seeing my last couple of videos, unboxing videos that is, I've been buying a lot of bars, more bars than I actually get round. It's because I have so much rounds, I have so much coins that I'm filling up all my tubes. And I don't even have 2 full tubes of bars filled up yet, so I want to get my bar game up. And the second reason, which is practically the first reason, is these are very generic silver. They're not held by a government mint, and that means it's easier to get them at a lower premium. So that's why I buy more ounces of bars than coins. Okay, now of course there's gonna be a point in time where I'm just stacking up on, you know, regular rounds that's also not connected to the government mint but private mints. And as a stacker, the number one most important thing when purchasing, you want to make sure you get value for your buck. Now I know there's some people like, oh man, but you haven't been doing that before, you spend a lot of money, and those are stuff I want, you know. There's certain times when I make a purchase and it's pretty much not for, how can I say it, it's not to, you know, to save value of my money, you know. At the end of the day, I feel, you know, of course we want to get the best bang for our buck, but having money in silver, putting money in silver, than just leaving it as money or leaving it as fiat, you know, I feel like this is the best option, even if I may overpay on something by a couple of $3, $4, $5. All right, but as you guys can see in recaps, I have 3 regular bars from apmex. I have 1 gram bar gold from Valcambi Suisse, and also my Standing Liberty round. So pretty much 5 items, but really 3 different items right here. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you guys have any comments, please comment them down. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and have a wonderful day.